44! Time my BB! Whoa! Yes! Oh my god! Oh! Baby! You did it!
Yes! Yes!
Yes! What? Yes! PB on cam! PB on cam! PB on cam! PB on cam! What? Yes! PB on cam! Oh my gosh, I'm in my underwear. Mom! I got a PB!
What?
Yes! World record! World record!
No way!
World record!
No way!
Let's go, baby! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! High five!
G! 14! Yes! Yes! Final! United! Ja! Yes! Ja, bra!
What? A last layer skip? No way! I gotta rewatch that.
Yes! 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 Yeah!
just solved 3 Rubik's Cubes while simultaneously juggling them? How the hell did you do that? Seriously, what? How do you know which one of the 3 needs to be turned in a particular direction and then be able to control where that particular cube lands in your hand, and then in a split second be able to make that adjustment? How is that possible? My assumption is you've spent many thousands of hours, probably over 10,000 minimum, doing this juggling and Rubik's Cubes business. That's honestly one of the most impressive things I've seen on the internet. Now, Ravi, you deserve to make a lot of money off that skill, become famous, get some notoriety, and hopefully get some tail too.
Yeah!